Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is, I think, which is Little Rather. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we'll talk about MediChat. Oh, sorry. It's Emmet Switch Row, and it's a new project. So I hope you're gonna learn it. Fine, so let's begin. I'm very excited to work on this project now. Okay, so here you can see we are gonna do HTML here. HTML. So first I have taken a HTML. We have to get this HTML, then a head, then a title, then a image switch row, title, body. So this is the I'm just gonna write. This is basically the name of our project. And in the H1 we are gonna give the ID. In the H1 we have to give the ID. This is the H1. We have to give the Thomas Alva Edison ID, and H1 have to be closed. Then the button one ID, on button, on click, turn on the light button, image ID of off bulb. So this exactly means that in button we have created this button. If you see the button of turn on the light, so this is turn on light. So when you click on this button turn on light, so this is the button name. Like इसके अंदर ये लिख के आ रहा है, then we will close the button hashtag. Then image ID of off bulbs src image. Then we have to give the URL. This is exactly the URL. We have to give the image URL, because without URL we're not gonna get this image. So yeah, then we have to give the width and the height to our. We have to give the image. We have to give the width and the ID to our picture. Then the button and on click, turn off light, image, and we have to give the URL. We're just gonna use the mouse, and okay, we just gonna. I'm just gonna erase the thing which I have just underline and all. So now you can see I have get this one more SRC of button turn off, because turn on SRC is done. Now it's time for another SRC. So this is the link here. Done. I hope you can understand it fine. So I think we're gonna highlight it, and SRC the image, then the width, height again, and the description. ID in description. This is optional to write ID equals to description. It's not right. Very important, because we can also write here BR. Then we can also write H4 there, but it's optional to write description. It would be better for the coding part to write H4 only. It's not really important. So now I have written some lines on Thomas Edison. You can also copy it from mine or write on your. I'm just gonna delete the thing what I have done till now. Okay, done. So we're gonna mouse. So this is the last thing we have to do. This all okay. P, then the body, then the head, then HTML, because in the starting we have to also give this ID, because let me underline it for you. In the starting we also did this HTMLs 1, 2 and 3 and 4. This body, title, and this. So again we have to write it in the last. Right? Here we also have to write it. Get it? I hope you understand it. And now we're gonna go on CS. That is the most easiest part of our designing, of our making the web page. That's the most easiest part. So yeah, now we're gonna do the CSS, which means styling of our page. Yay! So let's do it. Yes. let's go. So the body here, we have taken a body. Then 1 minute, let me get it for you. Do it in black. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you can see this body. Then the text around is in center. It's very important to be in center because all our work, you can see the Stommel Elva Edison is only in the left, but all the work like our text here, this text is also in here, and our images is also in alignment of center. Okay, so background image is in liner, gradient yellow orange. Yes, yes, you can see that it's in liner of yellow mixture. So yeah, you can see here body and background liner is into liner here, liner mixture of yellow orange, and we have closed this with the help of this. We started with this, closed with this. Again, we have did this, and text line is in left because this is a header. Header means the Thomas Alva Edison. This is the header. Okay, this is the main header. Let me do it in red because you can see it more finely. So yeah, you can see this is in red. Okay, this is Thomas Alva Edison is in red. Is in red, and the color is in black. The background image is in liner, gradient silver, and purple. This is a little bit more header is a little bit more changed. Now we're gonna go in JavaScript. Yay! I'm very excited for JavaScript because it's right like very easy, guys. I think JavaScript मुझे ज़्यादा समझाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली है because इतना easy है that आप अपने आप समझ जाओगे. JavaScript थोड़ा बहुत लोगों के लिए मुश्किल भी हो रहा था, but it's really like easy. आप थोड़ा ध्यान दोगे, आपको थोड़े 2 मिनट में ही आपको समझ आने वाला है ये. तो आई होप मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको हेल्प कर ले, आज बचाओगे. ये आप देख सकते हो. पहले तो फंक्शन टर्न ऑन का यहाँ पे मैंने जावास्क्रिप्ट होता है डेफिनेशन, एक डिफाइन करना किसी चीज को. तो इधर जावास्क्रिप्ट डिफाइन करने आया है बटन ऑफ, टर्न ऑफ एंड टर्न ऑन. ओके, इसको डिफाइन करना है. तो डिफाइन कर रहा है फंक्शन टर्न ऑन, डॉक्यूमेंट का अलाइनमेंट. यहाँ तक तो आपको सेम रखना है. यहाँ रखते हो तो बिल्कुल आपको ये हमेशा एक रहेगा. लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ कलर चेंज करके समझाऊंगी ताकि बिल्कुल सही समझ आ जाए. अब यहाँ देखोगे, यहाँ पे ऑफ बल्क का यूआरएल आपको व्हाइट हैट जूनियर ने दिया हुआ है. तो वो ऐसा करके यहाँ से लेकर ये पूरा आपको यूआरएल है. ठीक है, आपको आई होप आपको समझ आ गया हो. वापस करते हैं एक बार फिर से आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए. हम गए इस कलर पे एंड ओके पे क्लिक कर लिया. अब यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक ये तो सेम है भाई, तो पूरा का पूरा सेम है ना. अब उसको हम कर देंगे. अब बाकी क्या, ये दैट इज ऑल अ यूआरएल, इट्स नथिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ यूआरएल. आप सोचोगे क्या है ऑफ बल्क का, ये ऑफ बल्क कर लिया, SSRC लिख दिया एंड ये आपका यूआरएल रेडी हो गया है. ये एंड लास्ट में क्लोज कर देना, क्लोज कर देना. डन, आपकी कोडिंग हो चुकी है गाइस. आप समझ सकते हो कितना इजी है ये चीज, कितना इजी. बाय हाथ का खेल है. आई थिंक सो दिस इज वेरी इजी. आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट with help of my explanation. So yeah, this was my explanation, and bye bye guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Little Other, and I hope you're gonna understand and like my video. So please like, share and comment. I'm gonna give a challenge that smash that like button in just 5 seconds. So let's give the counting on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope you're gonna do that and win this challenge. And if you have done, write in the comment section, yes, I have done a nice video. So I will give you a gift voucher. I hope I'm gonna give you that. So there would be 10 new gift vouchers. So bye, take care, bye guys.